Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, Zien. I'm your host P5, aka P the Hard Way, and this is another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. Without further ado, you know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it like I'm doing it for TV, except I'm gonna do it right now. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Okay, today, guys, we have this Adidas Spezial Sl80. Let me just give you a little twirlage blue box. Obviously, you see what I want there. It's the special box. Okay, let's take these bad boys out, shall we? Okay, and let's put them on here so I can give you un twirlage, un twirl to the age. Look at that booty. Booty, 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 booty everywhere. Now let's give it a little twirlage. You see the colours on this, you see what's popping off. Let's drop it like it's hot. Let's pick up the right shoe and let's get into this like we getting into it for TV. Alright my guys, this is the SL80, originally released in 1979, and this particular version is a sort of one-to-one replica, or this is the story they told, of the original version. I think this was the original color that first came out in 1979, as you can see from the picture here. Yeah, super dope and almost close to what it was. Okay, shall we get into it? Okay, so we have this beautiful midsole in this fetching yellow. It's like a yellow submarine, mellow yellow, except there's nothing mellow about this yellow. This is a pop in your face, a Stone Island 40th anniversary smock yellow. Juicy. That goes all the way round, as you can see, and that is stopped right at the toe by this toe guard right here. So I'm just going to give you that toe guard in that. I don't want to call it a royal blue, but let's call it a nice navy, deep navy blue. Of course, you can see that the midsole is broken down ever so slightly by this red hit right there and this blue hit right there, and then that red hit right there, and that of course comes from the sole. And as you can see, the old crop circle is crop circling right now. You walk in their field, oh my god, who been in our field? You can tell someone with advanced knowledge and, you know, technology, because look at the sole on that. Super dope. So of course, voila. Okay, on the upper you have this, look at that, let me just give you see the suede. You see the suede move as I move my finger. As I move my finger, the suede is moving. It's giving us different colorations. Look, suede, beautiful. That's beautiful suede, guys. That's what you want in a suede. Butter. So you've got this suede upper mixed in between with this nylon upper. In between the three stripes, you've got that nylon upper right there. And of course, on the toe bed, you've got that nylon upper once again. Boom, which is encased with the suede hits right around the corner. So that's all suede, whereas that's nylon. Of course, you've got your gold. Look at those. Very decadent gold free stripes, which is a beautiful touch. And then that gold follows on to the old heel tab, gold finger, which then has a nice navy blue trefoil printed onto. Here's the man. Of course, you have those nice nylon hits right there. Voila. On the other side, you have the same, but this one says SL80. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Of course, you got the lace bed, and you have these D-rings, which is a nice little dope touch. You see those D-rings right there? Thinking of your Stone Island jackets, you know what I mean? Some of the older ones, you know what I mean? With the D-rings right there. And of course, you have your blue laces. If you look in there, you can see your Adidas Spezial inscription right there. Of course, on your tongue you have the gold background with the navy trefoil, super dope. And of course the same goes for the other, and then you have the macadam, the three stripes, and right there, guys, just a super dope shoe, man. I mean, you see the crop circle right there, you see the coloration, you see the movement, you see how it goes. Now I call these my Liams. And why do I call them my Liams? Because if you go back to my jacket, the orange one that I did a video in, Stone Island jacket. I was in Amsterdam, that video there, tripping off my head, check it out, really dope video. These were the pair that I wore. So I wore these, I wore some Stone Island cargos, you know what I mean, a Stone Island jumper. I had my my Stony jacket. I was just in Stony, to be honest. I had my Stony jacket and I had these on. Now these were cool, they looked great, but I'm not gonna lie to you, like after the concert it was murder trying to get a cab, so I had to walk for quite a bit, walk, and I'll be honest, these are not really trekking shoes. These are for hopping out of the cab, or maybe you're in the pub and you're chilling, or whatever it is your pastime is, and you're doing that. But it's definitely not for walking marathones, because my feet was killing me after a while, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's just a side. Got a little number in there, as you can see. I just thought I'd show you that just for completion. But yeah, guys, this has been a really dope pair, man. Sl80. This is supposed to be, like I said, a one-to-one representation of the old version. I need to find someone who has the old version and see if this is true. But yeah, this has been the Adidas Sl80, the Liams as I call them, or the Amsterdams. I've been your host, P Fire, aka P is for plush suede, and this has been another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. Guys, you guys have been dope, you've been fly, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. This has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. Stay dope, gang. Peace.